Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unable to set screen time passcode on Mac. So if the option to create screen time passcode was not working or you can't complete the setup, problem usually related to your account permission or the screen time setup process. In that case, macOS may require to review administrator account settings before allow you to continue. So let's go through few things you should check. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to screen time. Now in the right side pane, turn on the toggle light to log screen time settings. And if macOS display the administrator recommendation window, carefully choose the option that best matches your needs. And if you want to continue using current administrator account, select the first option and then click on continue. And if you choose create a new administrator account instead, complete the verification process and finish creating a new administrator account before continuing. Once the passcode setup screen appear, enter the 4-digit passcode and confirm it. And if you're still unable to complete the setup, restart your Mac and try again. Also make sure you are signed in with a user account that has permission to manage screen time settings. And after completing these checks, you should be able to create your screen time passcode successfully and start protecting your screen time settings. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.